So Haylou sent me 2 wireless earphones to review and I will be giving away one of them to one lucky winner. So keep watching this video to know how to join the giveaway. Yo, what is up, it's Gab and you're now watching Galanigab. These 2 wireless earphones are from Haylou and they sent this to me for review. But disclaimer, they didn't pay me to say anything biased about this product, so I will be giving my honest review about this Haylou Moripods and this Haylou W1. So let's start by opening the Mori Pods first. Okay, right off the box, you can see their slogan, "Hey, listen up." And here is the packaging. I really like the black finish package. And super simple. Once you open the box, nandito agad yung earphones na sasalubong sa'yo. Here is the Mori Pods case and the Mori Pods itself. And sa ilalim naman, so when you pull this, nandito yung USB Type-C, charging cable, and user manual. And that's it. Super simple and clean unboxing for this Mori Pods. But it's not just about the box. This is the Mori Pods and I'm telling you, first impression, ang nagustuhan ko talaga is the case itself. Yung design niya, bihira ako nakakita ng case na nakakatayo vertically. Usually, ang nakikita mong case ay nakahiga lang. But this one, particularly the Mori Pods, is very special for me. Kasi, you see, the minimalistic design, don't let it fool you. Ang ganda ng tunog niya. I prefer this one over the M1, but that is just personal preference. So, the sound quality of this Mori Pods are very balanced. Mas gusto ko yung tunog nito dahil hindi siya masyadong bassy. Before maging madaldal ako dito sa Mori Pods, i-unbox din natin agad itong Haylou W1. So same unboxing mechanism just like the Mori Pods, but this particular Haylou W1 is the more premium version of the Haylou lineups. So here you can see Haylou, and when you open it, naka-reveal na agad yung dalawang earbuds and as well as the case. So hindi lang doon nagtatapos. Pag na-pull mo ito sa ilalim, magre-reveal siya ng, actually you can take this whole thing out. Empty case na to. So this is the whole box and para siyang libro na pag binuksan mo, nandito sa loob yung Type-C cable just like the Mori Pods. And since this is an earbuds, meron siyang rubber na iba't ibang size to fit sa size ng ears mo. For me, I use this small kasi yung ears ko particularly mas masikip tingin ko, kaya pag malaki yung buds dito, medyo sumasakit when listening to music for a long period of time. Okay, so the box itself is more premium and the product itself is more premium compared to the Mori Pods. So this is the case ng W1, and pag kinuha mo itong Haylou earbuds and pag nilagay mo, automatic na siya mag-on. Okay, so that is the W1. Feels very satisfying dito sa W1, para kang nagpo-propose, diba? Okay, so that is super quick unboxing kasi hindi about sa unboxing ito kung walang review. So I've been testing out both of this every day. So papalit-palit ako and yun, ikukwento ko sa inyo ang experience ko. But right now, punta muna tayo sa specifications ng dalawang to. Okay, both of these wireless earphones or earbuds are majority the same in terms of specs. But with this Haylou W1 being the more premium lineup, this has 4 mic clear call, so when you are doing video calls, this is better at getting clear audio. Next thing I noticed on this W1 is it has way more battery life than I expected. So last week pumunta ako kay May sa QC, and during commute from Cardona to MRT, tapos from MRT to Trinoma, it's around 3 hours, and sabi naman dito sa W1 it can play up to 6 hours kapag full charge ang earbuds and 20 hours max with the charging case. And honestly, that is more than enough for me. I listen to music for 4 hours max, or pag nanonood ako ng Netflix, di ko pa na-encounter na nagwa-warning siya na need na i-charge ang buds sa case. While dito naman sa Mori Pods, up to 5 hours of playtime niya and approximately the same 20 hours maximum playtime tulad ni Haylou W1. But personally, mas attracted ako dito dahil sa design ng case ni Mori Pods, and mas prefer ko ang sound nito over the Haylou W1. Pansin ko mas may clarity to and not so bass heavy as the W1, but this is not a right or wrong answer. Mas nagustuhan ko lang ang tunog ni Mori Pods with more balanced sound, but si Haylou W1 really gives this more beefy bassy sound. So if you are a bass head, this W1 is a no-brainer. Both have smart touch control, so when you are watching your favorite Netflix series or listening to Spotify, you can easily pause or play anytime you like. Every earphone has its flaws, and while both of these are great for watching videos and playing music, I noticed a flaw when it comes to gaming: the latency. Both of this, I experience a noticeable latency when playing CODM, but honestly, I still use it to play even though I can notice the latency, because once I get used to it, nasanay na din akong advance mag-react kahit malayo pa footsteps. These earphones both are designed for watching movies and listening to music. When you're jogging or traveling, these are great companions to bring with. So this is my unboxing video about the Mori Pods. So this is my quick unboxing review of this Mori Pods and the W1. Personally, I love the design of this Mori Pod case kasi bihira ako makakita ng earphone na pwede nakatayo vertically. Kaya I chose this Mori Pods for me, and for this W1, abangan nyo sa episode 10 ng Redmi Note 10 Pro series. I will announce a huge giveaway. This is one of the giveaway na gagawin ko, but there are more. So stay tuned and subscribe if you are new here. Dito ko muna tatapusin ang aking video. And again, this is Gab and you're now watching Galanigab.